The DLAB is challenging because it tests several key language learning skills. Here's what they're looking for. First, phonetic recognition. You'll need to pick out and recognize sounds from a made-up language. Even though the language doesn't exist, the test is assessing how well you can identify and distinguish new phonetic patterns. Next, grammatical rules. The test will challenge you to apply grammar to unfamiliar languages. You won't know the vocabulary, but you'll need to figure out the sentence structures, similar to how we form sentences in English. Lastly, memory and problem-solving come into play. The DLAB requires you to remember language structures and solve complex linguistic puzzles based on the patterns presented. It's not just about listening and reading. You'll use problem-solving skills to navigate these tricky patterns and figure out how they work. It's a mental workout, but it's designed to see how well you can adapt to a new language system. Remember, the DLAB is testing your ability to adapt and learn new languages. Stay focused, practice these skills, and you'll be ready for success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on the DLAB.